You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce these words and more confusing country names and vocabulary, nationalities, citizenships too many people mispronounce, so stay tuned. This is a bit of a curious one in the way that there are 3 correct pronunciations for this in English. Probably the most common is as Chilean, with an emphasis on the first syllable, although some dictionaries do list the pronunciation Chilean as a correct US American English pronunciation. So we already have 2, Chilean and Chilean. Now, it is also correct and listed by several dictionaries that it can also be pronounced as Chilean. Chilean, because it's the country of Chile. That's how you say it in Spanish. So, Chilean, Chilean, Chilean are all correct pronunciations. And now you know. Like this video if you found it useful, appreciate your support, and thanks for watching. See you there, more videos for you. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful, appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.